How to add marquee effect on Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. You can simply open the link and install the app. After installing the app, click on new announcement. Click it here. Here you can see top bottom bar. Click select this announcement type. For marquee effect, we need to simply click running line announcement. After that, you can select the animation speed. As you can see, you can increase or decrease the animation speed. You can also change the animation direction. You can change the title here. As you can see here, you can also add a coupon code. You can add call to action button, or if you don't want any button, you can click here no call to action. After that, click on continue to design. Here we can change the positioning. If you want to add at the bottom of the page, you can simply change the positioning from here. If you want a sticky bar always visible while scrolling, you can click here. If you want to change the template, you can simply select this pre-made template. If you want a custom one, you can change the background color from here. You can add a gradient background as well. You can change the title size as well. You can change the color as well. After that, click on continue to placement. Here we can select the pages to display the bar. If you want for every page, you can select here. If you want for home page only, you can select this. If you want for all product pages only, you can simply click it here. If you want for specific collection, you can simply select collection from here. If you want for specific products, you can simply select products from here and simply add it. After that, click on save and then click on publish. Announcement bar was successfully published in your store. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.